Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, I just want to point out I've just finished a football match. It is Monday night. We had a Monday night game tonight, and yeah, long story short, I got elbowed in the face while contesting for a ball, and I mean, I've got a black eye coming, so for the rest of the video we're going to be wearing sunglasses. I know I look stupid either way. Today's video. Today I'm going to be teaching you 3 of my personal favourite ways to score bangers. These are going to be 3 of my favourite techniques that I've learned over the years that I would like you guys to learn as well. Curl. First you place the ball in your preferred position. Next you take 3 to 6 steps back directly in line with the ball. Run up to the ball and hit it with the inside of your foot. Watch the ball go top bins. In-game situation. In a game, the ball will be rolling, so you need to cut inside and shoot with the inside of your foot. This will be the same as a normal shot, just with the ball moving. Make sure you're ready to follow up your shot, just in case the keeper either saves it or hits the woodwork. Straight shot. Firstly, you need to place the ball exactly in line with the place you want to shoot. Again, take 3 to 6 steps back. Run up to the ball and strike with the laces of your boot. The ball should take a direct route to the top corner. In-game situation. As the ball is rolling ahead of you, run towards it. Strike as usual with your laces. The ball should be on target if it was struck with precision. Don't forget to be ready to follow up the shot just in case anything goes wrong. Half volley. Firstly, throw the ball in front of you. You can do this, or a friend can do it for you. Next, you need to precisely watch the ball bounce in front of you. Just as the ball is about to bounce again, swiftly strike with your laces. Make sure to lean over the ball so the ball does not go into orbit. Now you can half volley. In-game situation. If the ball gets played to you in the air, you can take a touch just in front of you. Let the ball bounce once or twice in front of you and strike as usual. Same again, you need to follow up the shot just in case anything goes wrong, because not everything's perfect. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope this has helped you learn a different style of shooting. Maybe it's a different type of technique of what you usually do. Because you know, trying different techniques is a really good way of actually getting a load of bangers. Whether you're trying to make content like me, or whether you're just trying to improve your shooting, it's always nice to know other techniques, as it could just help you score bangers, to be honest with you. I'm done with these glasses. But as you can see, I've got the merch on. I've got the Tic Tac 14 merch on. So I am actually trying to launch a website as quick as I can, because I want you guys to buy this merch. I've had loads of people messaging me saying that they actually like the merch. It's actually decent merch. And to be honest with you, I see it more than just merch. I see it as an actual brand behind it. You know, it's good quality. I mean, it's perfect. I've always wanted to have like merch since I was really young, so this is brilliant. It's more than just merch as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Hopefully this black eye, I don't even know if it's a black eye, it's just really red. It'd probably be a black eye in the morning. But yeah, I've got a massive headache, so I'm probably going to hop on Pro Clubs. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.